So growing up in Detroit, if you're a car nut, I don't know if there's a better place to be. So my first car, my father and I, we drove across town to go to a proverbial used car lot. And there sat a brown Ford Pinto. Looked pretty. Problem is that vehicle wasn't in very good shape. I remember my father wanting to explain to me sort of what trust was. And I cut him off. And I said to my father, I'd like to make this decision. And he allowed me to make that decision. As a result of that, the vehicle broke down that evening, 2 miles away from my home. And what transpired, I had to take auto mechanics in high school and got into this industry that I've loved and respected for all these years. 30 years later, everything that I have is as a result of that fateful day. So the reason customer service is so important to me is because it speaks to who I am as a person. One of the best examples of automotive maintenance, interestingly enough, is we explain to folks about the value of brushing your teeth every day. Doing that is much less expensive, much less painful than having to replace your teeth. A lot of times folks think that it's just cheaper to just sort of hold off. We'll just do it next time, we'll do it next week. If you're a fly on the wall, you'll hear me say, if you don't want to do it this way, just please don't do it at all, because it's not worth doing it halfway. Today's modern engines are designed to keep you going, sometimes even for over 200,000 miles. So you need to take care of them. Your vehicle is something you need to trust, not only so that you have the peace of mind to know that you're getting somewhere safely, but also because you trust it to haul some of the most important, precious cargo. Your family, your friends, even your pets. There's something to be said about something that works. You know it worked 30 years ago, and you know it still works now. Techron is endearing to me because it takes me all the way back to when I was in high school. I remember learning about fuel additives, and that Techron was the top shelf item. I built my whole business on the trust of my customers, so why would I use anything else? Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a preventative maintenance product that I feel good about putting into my customers' cars. It cleans up carbon deposit buildup, and it helps improve fuel economy. It keeps my customers happy and keeps their trust.